Looking at the S&P today, man. If you were part of the morning live stream today, I went live with Mike. We jumped up and I was talking about how we needed to get above that yellow zone. If you were bullish, we need to get above that. Maybe NVIDIA was the reason we get above it. Man, as soon as we clicked off, that was it. That's all she wrote. Sold all the way off, bounced back up, kind of holding this blue zone. As of now, we're currently red, but quite the range. I don't think we have anything. What do we have else this week? Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow, jobless claims. Ooh, man. I don't know if I'm bullish. Anytime we talk about jobless claims, I don't know if I'm feeling good about that at all. I'm just waiting for the surprise one. And then we got PCE. So we got a little bit of volatility. Maybe one of these just comes in, better than expected, not as bad, and maybe we get a nice little relief rally. At that point, I probably would still be going short at that time. I wish I would have bought back into my SPY put right here, and I was this close. But today's volatility, I just didn't feel it today. There's volatility where it's rocking, man. You're just making money, and then there's just like this sloppy volatility today where you're just gonna get smacked around. It's kind of all you're gonna do. It's okay as far as expected moves, kind of nothing there. As far as the NASDAQ, I actually still am long the NASDAQ. I didn't move my stop up. It came pretty close to actually tagging out. I told you guys when I went long the Type 2, Monsoon said it slipped through this like butter on the 10-minute time frame. And I don't know if you guys are kidding when you say stuff like that, or if you just don't know anything about zones. The 10-minute is irrelevant to me. Just for anybody that read that and thought, oh, our zone's not working or something like that. Yellow's a 4-hour or daily zone. You know how many 10-minute candles are in that? That doesn't mean jack. Let's just go down to the 5-minute right here. Oh, melted through like butter. Then, 10 minutes later, we came right back in. Right through again. Man, here we are right back in. We're doing a whole lot of nothing. Here's another one. Oh, I guess this is the time he was talking about. Here's the melted like butter. Hot knife through butter for about 10 minutes. Then we came right back up. We spent a little bit more time down here, and then right back up. But man, wicks like this are what almost got me today. Everything around. If you had any kind of smaller time frame, you were just getting chopped around. So anyway, just for everyone, if you're listening to what I say, just know that I'm not on that. I'm not on the tiny time frames. I don't care about them. They're irrelevant. Those are for scalpers, and today probably wasn't a good day to be scalping. And again, I don't worry about the people that do. It's just not my wheelhouse, if that makes sense. But we are still holding. I'm gonna have to put my stop in the it's still down there. I'm gonna put my stop up here in the green, and I really want it to hold above this zone and actually not tag out. Yeah. I was gonna say maybe I'll just leave it down there and see what happens, but no, it's just gonna suck. I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put it right here. It's gonna tag out. Tomorrow's gonna be green. I'm gonna wish I held. I'm gonna stop out. I'm gonna put a buy order right here with a stop loss below this red wick. So I'm going to see if I can get a little bit cheaper. For that to happen, it needs to come down here, tag that one out for a win, adjust me a little bit, get in a little better entry with a new stop down here. That's what I'm going to do. So let's rock and roll. As far as this one goes, we're playing it back and forth. I'd have to go long right now just because it's a zone play. We are horizontal. Horizontal and sell not. Your stop would be right below this. What's a Russell doing? Ugh. We made it to the yellow zone. So we got full-blown yellow to yellow. If anybody took that trade, congrats. I would have to be long right now. At this point, probably an oversold bounce. Yeah, we might just cool off indicators. Daily, not quite oversold. What's the RSI say? Plenty good on the other two, as a matter of fact. Maybe a little bit of a relief rally. A little bit of some green. Not to be expected, though.